Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust timing on a VW Beetle. Proper ignition timing is incredibly important for your engine's performance, ensuring smooth starts, strong acceleration, and preventing overheating. Before we begin, make sure you have a timing light, a 10mm wrench for the distributor clamp, and a white paint marker. Also, always perform this adjustment with your engine fully warmed up to its operating temperature. Next, let's prepare your engine for the adjustment. First, find the timing marks on your crankshaft pulley and clean them thoroughly, perhaps highlighting them with a white paint marker for better visibility. Then, locate the vacuum advance hose connected to your distributor, disconnect it, and plug the open end. Finally, ensure your engine's idle speed is set to its correct specification, typically between 800 and 900 revolutions per minute. Now, let's set the timing. Connect your timing light's power leads to the battery and its inductive pickup to the number 1 spark plug wire. With a 10mm wrench, slightly loosen the distributor clamp at its base, allowing the distributor to rotate. Start the engine and aim the flashing timing light at the crankshaft pulley. Slowly rotate the distributor clockwise or counterclockwise until the desired timing mark, usually 7.5 degrees before top dead center, aligns with the engine case split. Once the timing mark is aligned, carefully tighten the distributor clamp to secure its position. Reconnect the vacuum advance hose to the distributor. For a final check, rev the engine to about 3,000 revolutions per minute and observe the total advance, which should ideally be between 28 and 32 degrees before top dead center. Finally, take your Beetle for a test drive to confirm a smooth idle and crisp throttle response, ensuring your timing is perfectly set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.